Hello guys, welcome to the Technoupskill channel. So today we are going to learn about ln command. What is ln command? Ln command is nothing but hardlink and softlinks. It creates link between the files. So what is this is the command ln, okay? So today we are going to learn about hardlink and softlink. So what is hardlink? Hardlink is nothing but it creates the link between the files. So like if we have developer and he want to check any logs, you can read this. If developer wants to check the logs but in no access of the file, log file, and he want to check it, so in that case, if original files, without touching the original file, we can create one more file, duplicate file, which will have same logs, and it will fetch the latest like latest whatever logs are getting stored into that file. Automatically it will reflect to the second file. So how it works, like, so as we have file here, okay, and it's getting updating regularly, and we want that file to be checked every time. So the path is like, the command is like ln, the current path whatever the original file is there, destination path where we want that second file to be created. Okay, so something get updated automatically, content get copied to the destination file. This is called hard link. Okay, got right? What is hard link? Okay, let's move to the practical then. Okay, let us create hard link. So this is my ubuntu server. Let me show you. This is ubuntu. Okay, let me clear. So I have one folder. Okay, let us create hard link. So let me create aln. So right now I don't have file. Okay, so let me create one temporary file first, like original file. So vim mm, file, original file, I'll just write it as a original file, original original file txt. Okay, so we created one original file. Let us write something. Press I, and this is original file, capture the logs and access to soft link file. Okay, this is enough. So let's come out from the insert mode. Press escape, colon wq, save the file. Just check what is there in our original file. This is the content. So ls hyphen l. So we have one original file here. Ignore the folder. Okay. So the size is 72 KB. Okay. Let us create now hard link. So to create hard link, what is the command? Ln. This is the ln command. Ln. So if you give ls here means it will create soft link. So we are not creating soft link. We can do it later. So if you didn't give anything, it will create hard link. So hard link, to create hard link, we need original file here, log file. Okay. So what is the original file? This one. Okay, and destination where we want to create here only. So I'll give hard link, hard link file dot txt. Okay, see, let us check. See, it is created. Okay, hard link, this is the file. See, it's having the same permissions, both the permission, and it's created inode also same. Okay, and the size also same. So in case if something is get update, let us check. Something get updated in original file, automatically it should show into the hard link file. Okay, let us update something in original file. Okay, press I. So let us type something here. Okay, this is updated file to check hard link. Okay, this much is enough. Press escape, colon wq, come out. Okay, let us check what is there in our original. It is updated. Now let us check what is there in our. Let us check first. Size. See, size is changed. The original file is 112. So earlier it was 72, right? And it was 72. So after updating the original file, it got automatically updated the hard link also. 112. Okay. Time also. Okay. Let us check now what is there in hard link file. See, it is updated. This is called hard link file. Why is hard link file means it capture the logs whenever it's getting updated automatically by original file. It should be get stored into the our backup file. It's kind of backup file. Okay. So this is okay, right? Let me clear the screen. ls hyphen l. Okay, we understand the hard link now. Okay, so now what is the difference between hard link and soft link? See, in hard link original file and uh, link file have same properties, correct? See, this hard link and original file have same properties, but in hard link we don't, soft link we don't have. So let's check that one. First let's create soft links. How to create soft links? Like uh, ln, so we said right, yes, hyphen s. If we give this one, it will create soft link. So now we have to give original file. What's the original file? Original file is original file. Okay, now I have to create soft link. So I'll just type soft link txt. Let us check. Yes, it is created. See, it is created soft links. So our original file was this one. Okay, so it is showing softlink.txt and it's pointing to the original file, means it is showing that we created softlink from this file. So and this is softlink. So size is different. See, we can see right, size has different properties. It is having different properties. It's nothing but it's create shortcuts. Softlink is nothing like it's create shortcuts, and inode also will not be get changed. It will be different always. Okay, and same. And how to identify softlink is created or not? You can see here, right? First column it's L, it indicates L means soft links it's created. Okay, and next it won't create for directories, it can create for directories. Okay, that one you can check later. Original file have inode number, so original file have inode number, right? So this one, see, original file have this, so I original number, but soft link have don't. See, different inode number, you can see it, different inode number. Okay, it delete original file, still we can access hard link, but not in soft link. So I'll just do one thing. I'll just delete original file. Okay, this is our original file. Okay, so rm fnf original. See, it's deleted. ls -f. See, it's deleted, right? So if I do soft hard link, data will be available. See, data is there. So hard link is better always. So now if I do cat for soft link, because we already deleted the original file, right? So what output we will get, let us check. See, no such file or directory, means it won't store our current status of file. So we deleted this one, so it's not showing now. So this is correct. Okay, we understand, right? So now it's getting point out. So if I do original, it's not there. Okay, so this is called hard link and soft link. So let us check for folder now. We discussed, right, folder is getting supported for hard link or not. See, ln, so folder, we have one folder one, right? And let's create folder 2 here only. See, hard link not allowed for directory. Okay, so you can try these all commands and execute and let me know in our comment section, so I can guide you. And one more thing I just wanted to tell you guys, you try for folder to create folder swap links. How to create? I can just show to one, but I won't create. Ln hyphen s create folder this is our original folder, and create folder 2 and try for executing it and let me know what is the output you can get. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for joining and attending and showing the interest. Please do comment and feel free to share your feedback so we can improve next video. Okay, thank you so much guys. See you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.